Welcome back to Educatopia, where we explore the fascinating world of biology. In today's episode, we will be exploring the effects of smoking, so let's dive right in. First, let's understand what makes cigarettes so harmful. A typical cigarette contains over 4,000 chemical compounds, including nicotine, tar, carbon monoxide, and various toxic chemicals. When a person smokes, these harmful substances enter their body through inhalation. The chemicals are then absorbed into bloodstream and circulated throughout the body, affecting multiple organs and systems. Now, let's examine the specific effects of smoking. Number 1. Effects on the respiratory system. The respiratory system is greatly impacted by smoking. Cigarette smoke irritates and damages the delicate tissues lining the airways, leading to chronic bronchitis, emphysema, and an increased risk of lung cancer. Additionally, smoking reduces the lungs' ability to efficiently exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide, causing shortness of breath and decreased stamina. Number 2. Effects on the cardiovascular system. Smoking poses severe risk to the cardiovascular system. The toxic chemicals in cigarettes causes the blood vessels to constrict, leading to high blood pressure and an increased workload on the heart. This puts smokers at a high risk of heart disease, heart attack, and stroke. Number 3. Effects on the digestive system. Smoking affects not only the respiratory and cardiovascular system, but also the digestive system. It increases the risk of various cancers, including mouth, throat, esophagus, stomach, and pancreas. Smoking also contributes to stomach ulcers, acid reflux, and diminished sense of taste and smell. Number 4. Effects on the reproductive system. Smoking can have significant consequences for both male and female reproductive health. In males, it can cause erectile dysfunction and reduce sperm count and motility. In females, smoking can affect fertility, increase the risk of complications during pregnancy, and harm the developing fetus. Number 5. Effects on the skin and appearance. Smoking accelerates the aging process and causes various skin-related problems. It reduces blood flow to the skin, leading to wrinkles, premature aging, and a dull complexion. Smoking also increases the risk of skin cancer and delays wound healing. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. Until next time, calm your nerves and focus on learning.